Today, we will learn Chinese characters.
五
Watch the mouth shape for this character's pronunciation.
五五五五指五指爸爸的五指粗壮有力，爸爸的五指粗壮有力。五天，五天，一个星期，我工作五天。一个星期，我工作5天。五米，五米，它离我只有5米远。它离我只有5米远。
Next, let's look at how to write this character. This character has a few more strokes, but it isn't very difficult. Just make sure to write the strokes in the correct order. Okay, let's write it one more time. When writing this character, this position is very important. Press a little harder when you write this stroke. Pause here for a moment. The first stroke should be a little shorter, and the last stroke must be longer. This character represents a number and also symbolizes completeness. Just like we have 5 fingers on one hand, none of them can be missing. Only when they are together do we have something complete and useful. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.